This is the Poco F3. This one costs around $300, and for that we get 6 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of storage, the Snapdragon 870. This one also comes with 8 gigs of RAM or 256 gigs of storage. I have the base model right here. Welcome to the Poco family. Okay, cool. Okay, in this box we get a bunch of Poco stickers, pamphlets in a TPU case. And here is the actual phone. Oh wow, it does look pretty good. I'm guessing this is plastic. It does feel like plastic, yep. And down here we have our charging brick. Oh, this is a huge one. This is 27 watts, which isn't bad at all. And our charging cable, of course, it's USB Type-C. So yeah, this is a pretty good looking phone. Okay, first impressions, those bezels are really small. Get a nice OLED display nowadays, a really tiny punch hole, really like the size of this punch hole. I just wish it was on the corner rather than the middle. So yeah, I'm gonna set this up and get back to you. Okay, so instead of an in-display fingerprint sensor, we have a side-mounted one, which is pretty disappointing for me, but it's still good. It's actually kind of hard to see, but it's this one it's right over here. And there we go. Okay, so the phone is all set up. So a few things you should know about this phone. So first of all, when you first set this phone up, it's gonna come with 60 Hz. You gotta go to the settings, display, refresh rate, 120 Hz. So I just said it before. Also put animation speeds to 0.5, so it's gonna feel way faster now. Anyway, let's test our fingerprint unlock and face unlock. So as you can see, it's very fast. It's like extremely fast. Back then, Xiaomi was known to make blazing fast fingerprint sensors, and this time they've done it again. Now the face unlock. That was the fingerprint. It did the fingerprint. Okay. Oh, I see. Okay, so it stays on the lock screen. The face unlock also extremely fast. Nice. Wow. I'm gonna disable where it stays on at the lock screen just so you guys can understand. Here it is, stay on lock screen, disable. Now you guys are gonna get a better idea. That's the face unlock. It is so freaking fast. So I had the fingerprint unlock and the face unlock. It's pretty much the best on any smartphone in 2021. Okay, so as expected, the game runs flawlessly, no lag, no stutter. Wind Rider runs flawlessly, 60 FPS, no lag, no stutter whatsoever. I think it might even be higher than 60 FPS. Alright, so far the game is running flawlessly, no issues, no stutter whatsoever. Frame rate, let's put that at extreme. And graphics at HDR. Oh, damn it. Oh, wow, that is really high frame rate. Not even a flagship processor, and we're getting frame rate like this. Alright, so the graphics are at the highest settings, so is the frame rate, and as you can see, I mean, you guys can't really see on your end, but on my end, the frame rate is extremely smooth. There's no stutter, there's no like frame drops. It's perfect, absolutely perfect. So this phone does have dual speakers. Let's take a look here. Alright, so the speakers do get decently loud. I mean, not the loudest I've ever seen, but for $300, the speakers are amazing. As you can see, the colors are extremely crisp. This is a really good display. As you can see, quality 2160p 1080p 60 frames per second HDRs. So just take a look at this beauty. Alright, so this is our camera layout. Let's take a look, see what we got here. As you can see, it comes pre-disabled. We're going to turn that on. You can even add a custom watermarks. Picture quality, high, standard, low. It doesn't show us the exact megapixels, but you could always look that up. Alright, take our first selfie. Let's go outside. Rear facing video on the Poco F3, 4K 30 frames per second. Front facing video on the Poco F3. Rear facing video on the Poco F3, 4K, only 30 frames per second. There's no 60 FPS, which I guess you could forgive that. For me, like, it's kind of disappointing because I'm so used to like 60 FPS at this point. But other than that, the video looks pretty good. Front facing video on the Poco F3, full HD at 60 frames per second. Let me know what you think. I think it looks pretty good. Alright, so that is pretty much it. So should you buy this phone? And I'm going to say definitely yes. This is an amazing smartphone. I've really enjoyed it. The cameras are great, display is great, battery you can tell is going to be decent, speakers are great. Everything about this phone is great, especially for the price range. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and I will see you in the next video. Peace.